Head coach for Letran Knights, Consi Mark Villanueva. Coaching staff para sa ating Imus All-Star, Gab Tungo, Roy Paculan, Jazz Guban, Jeric Misahon, Glenn Garfin, and head coach John Colina.
Walang talo basta pusong palaban. Kahit anong hadlang di kami matitinag. Digmaan sa court pero respeto ang dala. Sportsmanship lagi sa taas ng bandera. 3-point shot, pasok, swabe. Depensa matibay, walang makakapwede. Coach sumisigaw, go hard or go home. AJ Cup kami ang bagong throne. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan. AJ Cup kami lalaban. Tagaktak pawis pero di titigil. Bilog ang bola kaya let's get real. AJ Cup, yeah. Sama-sama, yeah. Lakas at galing, ipakita na, yeah. AJ Cup, yeah. Walang iwanan, yeah. Hanggang sa dulo, ipanalo yan. Bawat game, bawat play, puso at sipag all the way. Dito sa liga, bawal ang mahina. AJ Cup hanggang kampiyon, walang iwanan.
First possession, Letran. Estrada ball screen by Buencelida. Santos quarter court. 3-pointer, wala yan. Cortiza, 3-pointer on the way, short. Offensive board, Castillo, good. First 2 points para sa Imus All-Stars.
EJ Castillo.
Estrada, Montesillo sa gitna. Balik kay Montesillo. Ball screen, binigay. Left quarter court, Estrada. May 10 segundo para makatira. Open 3, slash.
3! Jimboy Estrada.
Pepito, corner 3 long. Nako, nakuha ni Santos. Jimboy. Ball screen uli. Pop si Santos. Right quarter court, Gamad. Running shot off the glass. Good.
Kahit anong hadlang, di kami matitinag. Digmaan sa court, pero respeto ang dala. Sportsmanship lagi sa taas ng bandera.
Sa gitna, Pepito. Spins. Pepito, hooks. Wala yan. Nakakuha na naman ni Santos. 3. 6 ang lamang ng Letran. Mac. Ball screen ni Galicia. Hesi. Block by ten seconds to shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Quarter court, Castillo, ball fake, lalapit, corner jumper, good.
EJ Castillo.
Gama, transition 3, wala yan. Pepito, solong-solo. Castillo. Ball screen. Fake pass, running shot, wala yan. Lamang ng 4 ang tropang Letran. Montesillo. Skip pass, open 3. Kalugyang.
Here's Pepito off the mark.
4 lamang ng Letran. Galicia, corner. Si Pepito, babangga, pumihit, fall away. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na ni Estrada. Montesillo. Pepito na naman para sa rebound. Castillo to Baloa. 4-3. Long, nakuha pa rin ni King. Pabanda, good para kay Cortiza. 2 lang, lamang.
King Cortiza.
Estrada na naman. Pa!
Jimboy Estrada. 3.
5-point lead para sa Letran. Babawi si Castillo. Kalog. Kalug din. Nakuha na ni Castillo. 3 against 4. Castillo, fake pass, binalik. Galicia, reverse. Wala yan. Buencelida. Transition 3 para sa Letran. Short. Gortiza to Galicia. Labas, balawas. Isa pang pasa sa corner. Bukas na bukas Castillo. Pa!
EJ Castillo 3.
Outlet para kay Estrada. Wala. Gortiza. Corner jumper good.
King Gortiza.
Tabla na tayo, 11. Buencelida for 2. Baloa, good.
Mac Baloa.
Estrada, lulusot na agawan. Baloa, outlet to Castillo. Solo, lista mo na yan.
EJ Castillo.
5 minutes. Montesillo cross. Corner 3. Long rebound Gortiza. Nauna si Galicia.
Jacob Galicia.
4 ang lamang ng Imus. Ball screen. Montesillo, quarter court 3. Diretso.
3. Nathaniel Montesillo.
Galicia. May challenge yun. Nakakuha na ni Buencelida. Outlet to Estrada. 3 against 1. Estrada, left-handed, good.
Jimboy Estrada.
Baloa. Pinagsak Gortiza. Extra pass. Castillo, good.
EJ Castillo from King Gortiza.
Three minutes and 45. Isa lang lamang ng Imus. Sablay, tira ni Buencelida. Gutierrez, 3 against 2. Transition 3. Baloa.
Mac Baloa 3.
4-point lead para sa Imus. Foul on King Gortiza. Substitution.
Substitution for the both squads. 5-man substitution for Letran Knights and Imus All-Star. "18 seconds on the shot clock."
3 minutes and 30. Four-point lead para sa Imus All-Stars. Silorio, long free. Pa!
Zyrex Silorio.
Gadlan, babawi. Pa! Denzel Walker. Tushera, binalik Denzel. Skip pass na huli ni Montes Claros. Nauna hindi nakita. Montes Claros, Hesi, pull up, left elbow, wala yan. Villanueva. Sa gitna, Sierra. Sablay yan. Nakuha Denzel. Denzel fall away. Wala yan. Tapikan. Nakuha na ang tropang Imus. Montes Claros to Moralde. La pass, bukas, good pass. Galing kay Moralde. Rebound para kay Gamlanga. Outlet. Montes Claros. Gadlan sa kabila naman titira. Butas na naman. Siyam na ang lamang ng Imus All-Stars sa first quarter. Villanueva sa gilid. One-hander, short corner, good. Three, Montes Claros.
3, Axel Montes Claros.
Villanueva. Block by Montes Claros. Nauna na si Gadlan. Ilista mo na yan. Alis ko po, nadapa sa ere. Gamlanga para sa rebound. To Sumido. Sumido cross. Back pass. Fake pass galing kay Dave. Naku, turnover yan. Nakakuha Villanueva. Pinch ahead to Silorio. Silorio behind the back. Silorio natapikan. Madepensa talaga yung Gadlan na yan. Montes Claros, 3 against 2. 4 against 2. Back pass. Naku, sunod na turnover galing kay Dave. 40 seconds. Ten-point lead, Imus All-Stars. Corner 3. Good.
3, Cyrex Silorio.
Sumido. Pambato ng Carbag 2. Maiksi yan. Nakuha na ng tropang Letran. Stolen by Montes Claros. Malapit sa kanya yan.
Axel Montes Claros.
Wala na
Shot
tayo,
clock is
shot
off.
clock. 5 seconds. Denzel against Montes Claros. Denzel cross. Denzel step back 3. Kapos lang.
Game time na, handa ka na ba? Sa AJ Cup, walang umaatras.
End of the first quarter, official score 35-26.
Sabayan sigaw, hustle sa court, digdig ka ng laban. Walang susuko ba, walang pikon. Fast break, crossover sa lambing. Lahat tayo dito aiming for the win. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan. AJ Cup, kami ilalaban. Tagaktak pawis pero di titigil. Bilog ang bola kaya let's get real. AJ Cup, yeah. Sama-sama, yeah. Lakas at galing, ipakita na, yeah. AJ Cup, yeah. Walang iwanan, yeah. Hanggang sa dulo, ipanalo yan. Walang talo basta pusong palaban. Kahit anong hadlang di kami matitinag. Digmaan sa court pero respeto ang dala. Sportsmanship lagi sa taas ng bandera. 3-point shot, pasok, swabe. Depensa matibay, walang makakapwede. Coach sumisigaw, go hard or go home. AJ Cup kami ang bagong
Second quarter.
Axel, corner, wala yan. Siena, center court 3, maikse. Silorio, step to the left 3. Wala pa rin. Sumido, safe na. Oh, same ball.
$14 on the shot clock.
Sablay, offensive board para sa Letran. Sa gitna, Sierra, pabanda, good.
Lanciana.
Moralde, sa gitna, Tugadlan. Cross court pass, Montes Claros. 10 pa para sa kanilang shot clock. Gadlan, quarter court 3. Wala. 3 on 2. Denzel, transition 3. Short, rebound, nakuha Sumido. 5. Sumido hesitates, nakalusot, pabanda, malakas. Outlet, solo. Slam!
Lanciana with a jam.
Axel, binitawan, inasinta si Denzel.
Axel Montes Claros.
7-point lead para sa Imus All-Stars. Sierra. Quarter court, Silvio. Villanueva, corner, 3. Long, nako ni Sumido, takbo. Ang tropa ang Imus, 3 laban sa 2. Stop, pop, Montes Claros.
Axel Montes Claros.
Bukas na bukas. Naku, wala ang baby. Sumido bababa. Sumido punta sa gitna. Sumido all the way. Good.
Chanray Sumido.
Villanueva. Long 2. Malakas. Kanya pa rin. Binigay Denzel. Behind the back. Ganda naman ng cut.
Denzel Walker.
Gamlanga, baby hook, malakas. Isa pa, fall away, malakas pa rin. Bola na ako ni Silorio. Foul.
A foul has been called on player number 7. Substitution for the boat squad.
Manali.
Estrada naghahabol ng siyam. Si Santos sa gilid. Wala yan. 3 taga-bahayang Pag-asa to. Nasa loob. Gortiza. Corner jumper. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha na Manalili. Outlet pass. Estrada. Touchdown. Wala. Nasab. 15 VJ. Short. Rebound. Nakuha na. Santos ngayon, 3 against 4. To Manalili. Manalili. Woo! Natapik lang.
13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot.
Siyama, lamang ng Imus. Binalik. Manalili, good.
Jonathan Manalili.
Balawa. Hand off kay King. Galicia. Babalik kay Gortiza. 8 seconds para makatira. Binigay sa gilid. Good.
Francis Mandaraog.
Titing. Pinabot Santos. Woo!
Kevin Santos.
Magdaraog. High po si Jacob. Babalik kay Magdaraog. Ito, member to ng NBTC Champs. Magdaraog spins. Malaki yan, boy. Rebound. Bola ng Imus shot clock.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Balawa, ball screen. Balawa spins. Gandang galaw naman. Galing kay Mac Balawa.
Mac Balawa.
Manalili. All the way. Naku, maiksi lamang. Rebound Galicia. Bibigay sa kanyang partner. Baloa. Lusot. Yo-yo. Wala putback.
Jacob Galicia.
11 lamang ng Imus All-Stars.
21 seconds on the shot clock.
Gamad. Maiksi. Walang kumuha na ako ni Jimboy. Offensive board. Jimboy. Pinagsak. Mababa yung pasa. Wetzelida. Basket. And one.
A foul has been called on for player number 8, Hassan Nasab. Second team foul.
King. Tunasab. Left elbow. Good.
Hassan Nasab.
Oy, naagaw.
Francis Magdaraog.
La pass to Jimboy.
Jimboy Estrada.
Baloa, pick and roll play. Hindi lang agawan doon. Nasab, left elbow na naman. Wala. Nakakuha ni Jacob, fall away. Tatlo sumabay, wala. Nakakuha na ni Manalili. Manalili on the break, pupunta sa kanan. Bounce pass, lusot yung pasa. Santos, nabibitaw-bitawan lang. Baloa, punta sa kanan. Skip pass na sa corner. Maikse, nakakuha na ni Manalili. Outlet. Turnover yan. Nakagaw ni King. Counter. 3 para kay Baloa.
3 Mac Baloa. A foul has been called on player number 3, King Gortiza. First personal. Second personal, rather. Team foul number 3. Substitution of 4 Letran Knights. Tyler Villanueva checks in, replacing player number 1, Gamad. 14 on the shot clock. Substitution, EJ Castillo checks in, replacing Hassan Nasab. 14 on the shot clock.
Ala Ray John Rondo yun.
Jonathan Manalili.
11 lamang. Imus. Castillo. Wala. Galicia. Babalik. Baloa cross. Baloa. Binlabas. Gortiza. Open 3. Pa.
King Gortiza 3.
Manalili. Ball screen. Manalili. Floater. Malakas. Nakakuha ni Jacob. Galicia. Outlet para kay Gortiza. Gortiza. Hindi na sinabayan. 2 points yan.
King Gortiza.
Wencelida. Babawi. Foul.
A foul has been called on player number 16, Francis Magdaraog. First personal. Team foul number 4 at the line. Shooting 2. Player number 14, Buen Salida. Substitution, Miko Pepito checks in, replacing player number 16, Francis Magdaraog.
14 lamang ng Imus. Palit ng depensa, Letran. Castillo. Titira ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound, Santos. Estrada. Sa gilid, Villanueva, open 3. Long pa rin. Tapikan na pulot ni Pepito. Galicia, 3 on 1 break. Baloa, labas. Galicia.
Jacob Galicia.
Manalili, triple team. Pinalusot, nutmegging. Manalili, napangiti na lang si Mekmek doon.
Jonathan Manalili.
Castillo, bibigay kay Baloa. Baseline. Double team agad. Papasok na tapikan.
EJ Castillo.
Wala na tayong 1 minuto sa second quarter. Manalili, ball screen. Manalili. To Santos. Sa gilid, Estrada for 3. Wala pa rin. Galicia. Short. Manalili sa gitna. Villanueva open 3 na naman. Malakas pa rin. Manalili. Low. Tapi ka nakakuha ni Santos. Huh.
Kevin Santos with a jam.
5 seconds. Good cut, good pass, extra pass.
Jacob Galicia from EJ Castillo. End of the second quarter, official score is 65-49.
Game time na, handa ka na ba? Sa AJ Cup, walang umaatras. Bawat dribble, bawat pasa, bawat tira. Laban kung laban para sa bayan sigaw. Hustle sa court, digdikan ng laban. Walang susuko ba, walang pikon. Fast break, crossover sa lambing. Lahat tayo dito aiming for the win. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan. AJ Cup, kami ilalaban. Tagaktak pawis pero di titigil. Bilog ang bola kaya let's get real. AJ Cup, yeah. Sama-sama, yeah. Lakas at gaya. Ipakita na, yeah. AJ Cup, yeah. Walang iwanan, yeah. Hanggang sa
Expander. Expander yan.
Makikisuyo po sa patrol ng Paliko 3 and Expander na merong plate number DAL 1964. Again, patrol ng Paliko 3 and Expander DAL 1964. And we are back to the ball game. Third quarter of our exhibition matchup between Letran Knights going up against Imus All-Star. Here's Manalili, bigay bola para kay player number 7 of Letran, Montesilio, off to Jonathan. Here's Titing, setting things up. Quick handoff inside, muscling his way through from the paint, and there will be a whistle. And
Foul on Dave Moralde. First personal foul, first team foul. Imus All-Stars.
And he makes the first one on that 4.5-meter line. Will he make the second? 65-50, a 15-point game. That is a 2-4-2. The lead goes down by 14. Here's EJ from the logo. Crosses. 15 on the shot clock. Down low pass, off to Miko. Almost loses the chance, rolls around, misses. Pepito with an extra handoff. Kicks it out, was it number 3? Misses. Here's the Letran Knights on their transition play. Montesilio with a basketball, with a down low. Almost. Extra handoff, Jim Boy, way to finish.
Jim Boy, Estrada.
Oh my, look at that. Quick handoff from the air, but here's EJ. Spins away. Shot fake. Oh my! Almost Almost, but not quite. Here's Jonathan. Manalili with a move. Extra handoff from the down low. Santos with a
Kevin
jam.
Santos from Titing Manalili.
Kevin Santos and Jonathan. The connection down there. But here's Ganad. Extra pass. The deflection. Extra handoff. Here's Jimboy. Off to Santos.
Kevin Santos.
And that calls for a timeout for Imus All-Star on our third quarter of this exhibition matchup.
Game time na, handa ka na ba? Sa AJ Cup, walang umaatras. Bawat dribble, bawat pasa, bawat tira. Laban kung laban para sa bayan sigaw. Hasal sa court, digdikan ng laban. Walang susuko ba, walang pikon.
65-57.
Tayo dito aiming for the win. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan.
Almost 2 minutes has been gone on our third quarter.
Titigil, bilog ang bola, kaya let's get real. AJ Cup, yeah. Sama-sama, yeah. Lakas galing, ipakita.
And we are back to the ball game, 65-57. And we are back to the ball game. Here's the Imus All-Star. Guideline off to EJ. Here's Castillo on the top of the key. Up against Montecillo. Asking for a ball screen. 10 to shoot. Here's EJ. Loses it. 5 to shoot. Fade away J. Jumper misfires. Here's Manalili. Muzzling his way through, but there will be a whistle and a foul for...
Foul on EJ Castillo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Imus All-Stars.
Here's Montecillo on the hesitation. Step back three. Winds it up. Misses. Here's the Imus All-Star. Sumido with a floater. Puts it up and in. Here's Jonathan on the top of the key. Drives from the paint. Lays it up. There will be a whistle.
All on number 12. Gamlanga. First personal foul. Third team foul. Imus All-Stars.
First shot is good for Jonathan Manalili on that 4.5-meter line. Second free throw.
Substitution.
That is a 2-4-2 for Jonathan. Here's the Imus All-Star. Hand it over for John Ray. Extra handoff para kay Gadlan. 10 on the shot clock. Tightly guarded from the paint. Forces.
John Carl Gadlan.
Jumper is good. Here's Jonathan now. Manalili with a down low. Almost. Great passes from Jonathan. And here's the Imus All-Star. Burst away for three. Manalili with a basketball. Oh my. That would be their third attempt to have that slam dunk. Gadlan with a pull-up J. Not this time. Here's Montecillo. Extra pass from the right corner. Axel. Here's the Letran Knights with an off the glass. Not this time. Getting the miss. Here's Jimboy. For the second moment, not this time. Here's Allen. In and out. Gamlanga kicks it out. Moralde Burst away for 3.
Free, Giancarlo Gadlan from Dave Moralde.
Here's Jonathan. Coast to coast. Right on left hand finish.
Jonathan Manalili.
Another 3. Almost, but not quite. Just hit at the back iron. Here's Jonathan. Manalili with a jelly. Not this time. Here's Sumido. Oh my, a miscommunication for the Amos All-Star substitution.
Gortiza in, Dave Moralde out.
Here's Montesilio off to Jonathan with a hang time.
Jonathan Manalili.
That is a quick glimpse moment, but here's Gamlanga with a wide open shot. And the possession goes on to the other side for Letran Knights. Here's Montesilio. Up against Gadlan, almost loses that basketball. Here's Manalili up against Axel. From the left wing. Kicks it out on the left corner, winds it up, misfires. Here's John Ray with a power rebound. Gadlan with a cross court for King. Gortiza off to John Ray, winds it up a 3. Came too short. Here's Santos with an outlet for Jimboy, lays it up and in.
Jimboy Estrada from Kevin Santos.
Look at the connection of the both teams. Here's Gortiza. 10 on the shot clock. Spins away, forces, and the review whistle.
Foul on Kevin Santos. First personal foul, first team foul para sa Letran Knights.
And he misses the last one. Here's Jonathan. Taking a quick step down from coast to coast. Almost loses that basketball. But the possession will stay. 18 on the shot clock.
Substitution, Mac Baloa for Giancarlo Gadlan.
Mac Baloa sets back on the floor. 18 on the shot clock with an extra handoff. Here's Jimboy. Kicks it out. One's it up a 3. Oh, Kevin Santos
Kevin Santos.
with a jam. That would be his third jam on our ball game.
King Gortiza.
King Gortiza with a quick answer. Here's Jonathan. Manalili up against Axel. Setting things up with an isolation play. Almost loses it. Kicks it out. Montesilio for 3. Great line but not a great execution. But here's Mac Baloa with a fadeaway J.
Mac Baloa.
The lead goes still up by 9. Here's Jimboy from the paint with a fadeaway J. Here's King with the rebound, taking a quick step, breaking through that defense, floats it up, puts it up and in.
King Gortiza.
Here's Jimboy up against 5. A
Jimboy Estrada.
1v5 situation right there for Jimboy Estrada. Here's Mac. And an extra handoff for King.
King Gortiza from Mac Baloa.
Look at that. Beautiful passes right there for the Amos All-Stars. But here's Manalili up against King. Here's Axel with a steal. Taking a quick step now. Montes Claros with a jumper. Not this time, but here's Mac.
Jacob Galicia from Macbalawa.
Off to Jacob Galicia. Underneath that rim. Here's Montecillo. Shot clock at 10 seconds. For three. Here's Mac. 2 minutes remaining on our third. Jumper not this time. Here's Manalini with an outlet for Jimboy. Estrada lays it up. Puts it up and
Jimboy
in.
Estrada.
Here's Axel off to Galicia.
Jacob Galicia from Axel Montes Claros.
Kevin Santos tries to reject that moment, but here's Jonathan Manalili showing handles. Extra handoff. Oh my!
Jimboy Estrada from Jonathan Manalili.
Look at that great vision and connection for Letran Knights as they try to dominate the Imus All-Star on this ball game. But here's King. Long distance three. Misfires. Here's Manalili with an extra handoff. Lays it up and go.
Tyrex Ilorio from Jonathan Manalili.
Macbalawa with a big
Macbalawa.
man move. Here's Jonathan off the Jimboy. Getting his own miss converted into another stop.
Jimboy Estrada.
30 seconds remaining on our third quarter, but here's King. Extra handoff for Jacob. Loses that chance. Opportunity for Letran. Here's Manalili. Tightly guarded. Lays it up. Misfires. Here's Axel. Shot clock is off. Baloa. Off to Gamlanga.
Aaron Gamlanga from Macbalawa.
Here's Jonathan with an easy bucket.
Jonathan Manalili.
And that's the end of our third quarter.
Third quarter score. Imus All-Stars 88, Letran 79.
Game time na, handa ka na ba? Sa AJ Cup, walang umaatras. Bawat dribble, bawat pasa, bawat tira. Laban kung laban para sa bayan sigaw. Hustle sa court, digdikan ng laban. Walang susuko ba, walang pikon. Fast break, crossover sa long game. Lahat tayo dito aiming for the win. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan. AJ Cup, kami ilalaban. Tagaktak pawis pero di titigil. Bilog ang bola kaya
After our exhibition matchup, we'll be having our first elimination game. It is a matchup between Palico going up against Anabu Dos. Anabu second.
ipanalo yan.
Again, after our exhibition matchup, our first game on the elimination round, it is a matchup between Palico going up against Anabu second.
Bukas, 6 na laro tayo. Araw ng linggo, 6 games tayo bukas. Fourth quarter tayo. Siyam, lamang ng Imus. Castillo, ball screen. Hesitates, double team.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Nasab sa gitna. Ball screen ni Pepito. Nasab. May challenge. Maikse, rebound. Sa gilid. Extra pass. Nabitawan ni Tibus. Turnover yan. Baloa sa gitna. Long three. Maiksi yan. Nakakuha na ng tropang Letran. Tibus to Manalili. Manalili on the break. Hangs. Jelly. Wala. Tapikan. Nakuha ng Letran pa rin. Naku, hinagi sa labas. Turnover yan. Castillo. 4-3, malakas yan. Manalili, tinapik. Manalili, nakita. Open runner, good. Pito na lang, lamang ng Imus. Balowa, wala lang. Tapika na pulot. Ayan na si Denzel Walker. Bibigay kay Silorio. Lapas. Noko, turnover yan.
Ball goes out of bounds. Possession stays for Imus All-Stars.
Nasa maluwag. Right elbow hook. Wala. Nakuha na ni Silorio. Bababa si Manalili. Labas Walker. Nabitawan. Na-turnover yan. Nakuha ni Balowa. Ibibigay kay Castillo. Castillo. Wrap around to Galicia. To Balowa. 4-3. Malakas. Bola pa rin ng Imus. Castillo push. Castillo fades. Good.
EJ Castillo.
Siyam uli, lamang ng Imus. Manalili. Corner shot para kay Silorio. Maiksi yan. Offensive board. Muko tinawagan ng foul.
A foul has been called on player number 20, Miko Pepito. First personal team foul, number 1.
Turnover yan. Naagaw ni Nasab. Bibigay Castillo 3 against 1. Castillo left-handed good. 11 na.
EJ Castillo.
Sablay pa rin ang labas na tropang Letrana. Kuha ng ni Castillo. Counter attack. Castillo hesitation. Bibigay sa gilid. Balowa. Balowa cross. Step back 3. Kalug lang. Manalili. Double team agad sa ibabaw pero nilisutan. Foul. Walker, nawala yung bola. Turnover yan. Nasa BR. Oh! Chase down by Sienna. Manalili. For 3. Wala yan. Rebound Denzel. Walker na agawan ni Castillo 3 against 2. Castillo bibigay Galicia. Galicia 16-foot jumper. Wala yan. Nakakuha ni Sienna. Silorio sa gilid. Babalik. Good.
2-point added for Tibus.
5 minutes and 50 siyam lang lamang ng Imus. Castillo binibigyan ng ball screen ni Pepito. Castillo cross. Maganda yung depensa. Sablay, nakuha na ni Tibus. To Manalili, bababa, naghahabol sila ng siya. Manalili on the break. Manalili, wrong foot layup para kay Jonathan Manalili.
Jonathan Manalili.
Balowa, mukhang bukas na bukas. Wala lang, nakuha na ni Manalili. Bababa ang Letran, naghahabol sila ng 7. Manalili,
Jonathan Manalili.
5 na lang yan. 5 minuto pa yan. Castillo against Walker. Castillo. Baseline, left, reverse.
EJ Castillo. Time out. Letra Knights.
Game time na, handa ka na ba? Sa AJ Cup, walang umaatras. Bawat dribble, bawat pasa, bawat tira. Laban kung laban para sa bayan sigaw. Hustle sa court, digdikan ng laban. Walang susuko ba, walang pikon. Fast break, crossover sa long game. Lahat tayo dito aiming for the win. Sabay-sabay isigaw ang pangalan. AJ Cup, kami ilalaban. Tagaktak, pawis,
Under 5 minutes, ha? 4 and 54. 7-point lead para sa Imus. Montesilio. Kicks it out for 3. Wala. Tapikan nakuha ni Montes Claros. Ball screen, Baloa against Santos. Bibigay kay Axel. Shot clock nila 10 pa. Long free, maiksi yan. Rebound nakakuha ni Estrada. Bababa, Andro Palitran. 3 on 4. Hesitates na tapik.
19 seconds on the shot clock.
Tibus for 3. Kalog pa rin.
14 on the shot clock.
Apat na minuto na lang sa gilid. Dahil na naman, bang!
3 for Letra Knights.
Apat na lang yan. 3 minutes and 50. Baloa, kay extra pass. Naku, malapit yan para kay Axel. Wala. Rebound Santos. Pagkakataon ng Letran para mas lumapit. Estrada, apat ang kalaban. Bibigay na naman. Montesilio, straight away 3. Short. Bola na ako ni Magda Raog. Tugam Langa. Apat ang kalabangan ng Imus.
10 seconds to shoot.
Gutierrez against Santos. Gutierrez step to the right. May challenge pero tinawang asintahan ni King.
King Gortiza.
Lagi ako nagkakamali. Sorry, Gortiza. Artista nga pala si King Gutierrez. Sorry, King.
A foul has been called on player number 7.
3 minutes. Jimboy, long 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Magdaraog. Six-point lead para sa Imus. Tumawag ng play si Mac. Binigyan ni Magdaraog ng screen. Ibaba kay Gortiza. Maiksi yan. Nakakuha na ni Santos. Bababa ang tropa Letran. Montesilio. Between the legs. Pass. Para kay mukhang maiksi lang. Nakakuha ni Magdaraog. 2 and 30. Magdaraog spins. Pinali. Maganda yung depensa. Napulot ni Estrada. 2 minuto at 20 pa. Estrada sa gitna. Foul.
Foul has been called on player number 9. That is Mac Baloa. First personal team foul number 3.
Apat, lamang ng Imus All-Stars. Huling quarter na to, 2 minutes and 15. Gortiza, binabantayan ni Gamad. Gortiza, lulusot. Gortiza, right elbow. Wala yan. Rebound, nakakuha na ni Montesilio. Bababa ngayon ang tropa Letran. Estrada sa gitna. Estrada all the way. Dalawa na lang yan. Baloa, ginugwardya ni Gamad. Baloa. Ball screen binigay ni Gamlanga. Natapikan, pagkakataon Letran para tumabla. Estrada on the break. Tinapek, nako, tinawagan.
A foul has been called on player number 3, King Gortiza. Third personal team foul number 4 for Imus All-Star. Shot clock at 14 seconds for Letran Knights.
Dalawa lang lamang ng Imus, 1.5 minuto. Estrada ball screen, Estrada spins, Estrada floats, wala. Lucky break para sa Imus. Gamlanga, guarded by Estrada. Iabot kay Gortiza. 10 seconds to shoot. Gortiza, binibigyan ng ball screen ni Galicia against Santos. Gortiza, cross, double cross. Kung natapik, Ibibigay ngayon kay Estrada. 2 against 2. Estrada pupunta sa gitna. All the way for the tie. Wala yan. Offensive board. Montesillo. Step back. Ibibigay Gamad for the lead. Wala. Nakuha ni Gamlanga. Montes Claros. Naku! Nabitawan.
Ball goes out of bounds. Possession for Letra Knights.
Substitution.
Substitution. Jonathan Menalili checks in, replacing player number 1, Gamad.
48 seconds. Dalawa lang lamang ng Imus. Montesillo to Manalili against Gortiza. Ball screen. Manalili double team. Manalili hesitates. Manalili and one! Para kay
Basket!
Jonathan Manalili.
And one! Jonathan Manalili.
Woo! Tabla tayo. 38 seconds. Timeout.
Timeout, Emus All-Star.
Basket timeout daw.
Game reset. Lamang ng isa ang Letran. 38 seconds. Wala pang team foul. Ang Letran, nasa penalty ang tropang Imus.
Basket timeout.
.38 seconds.
14 on the shot clock.
Galicia, guarded by Santos. Iabot kay Gortiza. 7 seconds para makatira. Gortiza! And one!
Basket and one. King Gortiza. A foul has been called on player number 6. Foul has been called on player number 26. Jimboy Estrada, first personal. At the line, shooting the bonus. King Gortiza.
Play yan.
30 seconds, 2-point lead para sa Imus All-Stars. Manalili to Estrada. Bibigay, Gamad for 3. Wala, Gortiza para sa rebound. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. Kamayan tayo, kamayan.
End of the regulation. Final score 99-97. Won by Imus All-Star. What a 40 minutes exciting ball game para simulan ang ating 4th Congressman AJ Cup Inter Mother Barangay Basketball Tournament.